Each bloom invites change, inside, outside. The knowing of the forest, past, present, and future. Like the river, the seasons ebb and flow. Stillness. The graceful flight of birds, rooted, at home in nature. The ritual, a rhythm to follow. Cast, repeat, the fisherman's beat. From seed to flower, field to flock, timeless. A cycle that grows, the green and pleasant land, grounded, a place to reflect. Pause, a moment, welcome.